Morning students. Yes, till yesterday we are doing exercise 4.1 and question number 3 we have done, and question number 4th one is homework, but some students have some issues in this question, so I am going to explain this question. We have to construct a rhombus BEST where only two sides were given. What? BE equal to 4.5 centimeter and ET which is 6 centimeter. So according to the property of the rhombus, we all know that all sides are equal. All sides are equal. That means all sides are equal. That means any one from this is its side and one is its diagonal. So in a rough sketch diagram, we see that our diagram will be construct like that. Now suppose that BEST, name of this triangle is quadrilateral is BEST. So there is ET, that means the diagonal of its, so which is 6 centimeter, and other side, that means B equal to, if it's B equal to 4.75 centimeter, then all the sides are equal, so all have same length 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so we have to make a rhombus BEST who have all the sides 4.5 centimeter and a diagonal 6 centimeter. So for constructing a rhombus, firstly we have to make diagonal of it. So there is diagonal of 6 centimeter. That's why I taken the length of 6 centimeter by scale. I hope you can see that there is point of 0 and there is 6. So ET, which we constructed as 6 centimeter. So I am denoting its name also, ET, which is of 6 centimeter. Okay, first thing completed. Now since BE is given 4.5 centimeter and B is the 4.5 centimeter away from the point E, okay, and it is in upside of the drawn line, so we have to draw an arc from point E and from point T also of 4.5 centimeter in upside to make to find the point B. Okay, so we are taking a measure of 4.5 centimeter. See carefully, we are taking a measure of 4.5 centimeter. Is it 4.5 centimeter? Okay, now put the pin of compass in the point T and draw an arc upside, and similarly put the point of the compass in point E and draw an arc upside of the previously drawn line. अपन लोगों ने अपसाइड इसको कर लिया, ठीक है। एक बार इस चीज को भी आप समझिए कि यहां पर जो अपन को पॉइंट मिला वो तो बी है, ठीक है। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड अनदर पॉइंट विच इज एस, which is the downside of ET, okay, and which is also of 4.5 centimeter, okay. So from E, S is 4.5 centimeter away, and from T, S is also 4.5 centimeter away. So from point T and E, we are doing same as we have done for the point B. We have to make two arcs from point E and T downside also, okay. Then what we get point S, okay. So match all these points. Firstly I matched E with S, then S with T. Where is S? There. And T, that means S from T with the help of scale. Now from B to T, that means from point T to B, and at last from E to B. Very carefully we have to do all that thing, because in construction we make smaller mistake, then it will be occurs very big mistake, okay. So there is our rhombus which we constructed, and the length of all sides of it is 4.5 4.5 centimeter, so we have to mention there. Okay, this is also of 4.5 centimeter. Clear? Now you all have to write step of construction there. So this is your homework to write the step of construction. Firstly, you have to write in first step, draw a line segment ET equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, in second step, you all know that rhombus have all the sides equal. That means they are given B equal to 4.5 centimeter. So take an measurement of 4.5 centimeter in compass by the help of ruler or scale, and cut an arc upside from point E and downside from point E, and again from point T upside from in previous cutted arc, and downside in previous cutted arc. So what we get? We get it point B and S. Now last step, we have to match E to B, B to T, T to S, and S to E, and have find it required quadrilateral. Okay, so that much for today. Exercise 4.1 is completed perfectly. Now you have to understand when two diagonal and three sides are given, so we have to construct a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. So in this condition we have exercise 4.2. we will do it tomorrow. Okay.